Lifting now. Moving to the line. Alignment sensor active, first stem approaching. Slight misalignment, engaging adjustment. Correction complete, green light confirmed. Next stem, monitoring sensors. Sensors active, moisture levels updating. This one reads 68%, that's within the standard. Confirmed, this bundle passes. Next. Filtration is optimal. Impurities are under 0.05 ppm.
Confirmed. Pressure and flow are stable.
Good. Initiate the rinse cycle. Sensors are active. Turbidity and flow look stable. Confirmed. Turbidity is 0.05 L minute. Readings are within parameters. System is clean. Airflow is steady. Humidity is at 45%. Confirmed. Maintaining target at 50%.
Adjusting now.
Levels are stable. Adjusting humidity to ensure uniform drying. Setting uniform mode now. Rotating set point to 72%. Confirmed, uniform drying is set. Starting the feed now. Paddles are engaging, watch the flex. Good, the stiffness is reducing. Feed looks good, watch the alignment. Drums are rotating, fibers parallelizing. Shorts are dropping, quality is consistent. Good, maintain speed. Feed looks good, watch the alignment. Drums are rotating, fibers parallelizing. Shorts are dropping, quality is consistent. Good, maintain speed. Short fibers dropping now.
Looks clean, no longs.
Confirmed, good separation.
Trays full, ready for baling.
Increasing dosage to 3.0.
Adjusting exposure to 4 minutes 30.
Confirmed. Monitoring fiber quality. The fibers are emerging smoothly from the treatment.
Let's check the texture for spinning.
The flexibility is excellent, perfect for yarn.
Agreed. The batch is ready.
Batch code 2024-17-1 confirmed correct. Material and spec match. Logging now. Digital log updated and verified.
Spools incoming, keep the lines clear.
Got it. Transferring the first batch now.
Good. Monitor for any jams. All clear, proceeding smoothly. Sensor flagged a deviation, initiating real-time correction.
Confirmed. Metrics are stabilizing.
Good. Proceed with the scan.
Tension steady. Starting the roll. Alignment looks good. Keep it even. Adjusting tension now. Perfect. No wrinkles. Chemical dosing at 4.5%. Confirm? Confirmed. Rotation speed is 45 RPM. Good. Proceed with the cycle. Cycle starting. Fabric is loading. Monitoring parameters. Moisture levels are good. Keep it feeding smoothly. Got it, cats. No strags. Temperature is stable at 60. Dosing is at 2.5 liters per minute.
Good. The sensors are reading perfectly.
Increasing dose to 2.7 now.
Confirmed. Color looks even.
Adjust the flow. It's pooling too much on the left. Got it. Slowing it down now. Better. Keep it steady to prevent streaks. Pressure looks even on the left.
Right side is balanced, no wrinkles.
Good. Keep the tension steady.
Increasing pressure now.
Temperature holding steady at 200 degrees. Good. Rollers are aligned. Web is smooth. Confirmed. Fabric stabilization is optimal. Check the temperature. Make sure it's stable. It's holding at 200. We're good. Keep it smooth. Guide it in. Sensor stable at 180. Checking fabric alignment.
Sample loaded, consistency is holding at 99.2.
Good. Monitor for any drift.
Alignment is optimal, no adjustments needed.
Roll 3 incoming. Guides aligned.
Confirmed, speed is steady.
Looks good. Positioning now.
Clear, ready for next.
Alignment looks good on this layer. Thickness is consistent within tolerance. Alignment check. Monitor edges.
Left edge is off by 2 millimeters.
Correct it. Push the top layer. Adjusting now. Confirmed. Edges are aligned. Cut is complete. Panels are ready.
Confirmed, pattern accuracy is 100%.
Excellent. Prep for next run.
Check the tension here.
It's a bit loose. Adjusting now.
Good, keep the seam straight. Panels clear, moving on.
This one's seal looks intact.
Good, check the edges.
Applying pressure now. It's secure.
Confirmed, next one.
Next batch on the belt.
Assembling now, quality check.
Packaging complete. Sending to shipping. Temperature holding at 22. Anything on humidity? Humidity is stable at 45%, sir. Good. Watch for fluctuations.
A minor spike, compensating now.
Confirmed. All stable. Spool moving to knit area.
Got it, steady on the guide.
Aligning now. Feet are ready.
Ready, connecting yarn.
Here, side wing panels and bridge pieces are cut from the stretch sections of banana fabric. The scissors move steadily along the ruler, ensuring precision. This banana fabric stretch allows for flexible, comfortable bras.
First, the elastic underband is measured to the correct bra size. The strip is then cut precisely. The process is repeated for each size.
Inside the molding press, controlled heat and pressure form the fabric into smooth three-dimensional bra cups. The fabric is placed between the molds, which begin to close. As heat and pressure are applied, the fabric transforms into the final shape. The two molded bra cups are joined together at the center bridge using precision stitching machines. The soft inner lining layer is stitched inside the molded cups for comfort and reinforcement. The precise stitching creates a durable, flexible bond. This enhances both comfort and the cup structure. The elastic underband is attached beneath the cups to provide support and stretch. Pulling the band shows how it stretches for a comfortable fit. Adjustable shoulder straps are stitched onto the upper cup edges and reinforced at stress points.
The hook and eye closure panel is stitched onto the back wings of the bra. The panel is aligned and fed through the machine. This creates a secure and adjustable back closure. The left side is symmetrical. Checking the stitching.
Looks good. I'll test the tension. Right seam is accurate. Let's check the overall shape.
The cups are even.
Excellent. It's ready.
Stretching the underband to check for full recovery. Releasing now. It snaps back perfectly. Now testing the strap for elasticity. Excellent recovery. This one passes. This is the cup shape retention test using a calibrated shaping form. First, insert the form into the cup. Next, check for any gaps or deformation. Finally, remove the form to see if the shape is retained.